Hi everyone, it's Debbie from wonderplaydiscover.com, and today I'm going to be showing you a gift idea for Father's Day. It could also be used as a Canada Day activity. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Inuksuk. And Inuksuk is usually a Canadian symbol that we see. It was used way up north as a guiding figure for hunters. Now we see them all along the highways. And my little guy loves counting them when we go out on trips. So I thought this would be a really neat Canadian Father's Day gift. So for our activity, you're going to need to go out and collect some rocks. Here's our rock collection. It's better to find rocks that are smooth and flat and easily stackable. So we went down to our local bay and walked the shoreline and tried to come up with a collection of nice, smooth, interesting rocks. You're going to need some hot glue. So an adult's going to have to help the kids put together the Inuksuks with a hot glue gun. And I'll take you through the steps on how to make your very own Inuksuk for at home. To give this as a gift for Father's Day, we're going to add a little tag to it that says, "My Dad Rocks." For some more information about creating your own Inuksuk, this is a really good resource to have in the classroom or also to have at home. And it's called Make Your Own Inuksuk. I'm going to show you one page from it right here about where to get your stones. I decided to go with a light gray stone, but they give you some really neat ideas. River rock. Even bricks. I really liked that idea because not everybody has a spot where they can go and collect rocks. If you don't have a spot and you'd like to purchase rocks, you can get the river stones that are really smooth and round from your local Home Depot. I picked up a big bag of them this week for story stones, and the big bag is probably, I think, around $16.99. So all kinds of different activities that you can do on top of making Inuksuks with stones.